Hi there, this is Cobra Stacker and welcome to Stackers News Weekly, episode 7. First we go to the gold and silver prices for this week. Gold, last week, £1,523.17. This week, £1,522.35, down by 82 pence. Silver, £18.87 last week. This week, £18.55, down by 32 pence. Now, moving on to Stackers News. In the UK, the Bank of England followed market expectations with a rate hike of 0.25%. This takes UK rates to a 15-year high of 5.25%. The Bank of England doesn't expect inflation to return to its 2% target until quarter 2 of 2025. It's bad news for the ongoing cost of living crisis. It remains unclear if this will be the peak for UK rates. Inflation remains at 7.9%, and unless this starts to come down, the Bank of England will have little choice but to continue the hike. The rate decision comes as Nationwide reported that July saw the sharpest drop in house prices in 14 years, falling by 3.8% year on year. The average 2-year fixed mortgage rate is 6.85%, and today's hike is expected to drive rates higher still. A prolonged period of inflation and high interest rates means mortgage costs are unlikely to fall much in the next 2 years and could spell bad news for homeowners faced with fewer buyers and lower asking prices for their properties. With the hike coming in as expected, sterling is fairly unmoved today, bringing the UK in line with the US for the next few weeks, trading on key economic figures that indicate whether inflation is falling and how the economy is holding up. The Bank of England will also be watching these figures closely ahead of their next meeting in 7 weeks to decide whether to press ahead with further hikes or pause and signal the peak is in. And now, creators' content. We start with 2 is 1 Gold, a great video explaining gold and silver prices due to the US and global economies. The title, Gold Did Something Strange Again. Moving on, McDonald Bullion did a lovely review of the Perth Mint Lunar 3 series coin, the Rabbit of 2023, titled Perth Mint Redeem Themselves. Stackers University, why the BRICS-backed currency is BS. This is a deep dive into things which are plugged to make you panic and to buy gold and silver. A very informative video. And for a bit of light watching, the Island Stacker. Title, So I sold my 1 ounce 2021 Britannia and Sovereign, and here is what I got for it. An interesting video of trading gold for gold, asking the question, was it worth it? A nice and relaxing unboxing of gold and silver by Tuli in her video, Gold Unboxing. And now, breaking news. Cobra Stacker, that's me by the way, will have a 40-minute premiere video showing a full stack reveal of all his brackets my gold and silver on Tuesday the 8th of August at 8 p.m. British Mean Time, and you have a chance of winning one of the Cobra Stacker coins in the actual live chat of the comments. So when you see the video listed up there, put your name down to join the premiere at exactly 8 o'clock, where I will be live in the comments and will tell you how you can win that coin. And now we move on to viewers' questions. And the first question comes in from James Cohen, who asked, what are your views on stacking platinum? Well, James, thank you very much for that question. On a very personal note, I personally would not stack platinum. And the reason for that is I think that people aren't looking for platinum as much as they are for gold and silver. Platinum used to have a higher value than gold, and that has dropped below the level of gold now, even though platinum is rarer than silver and gold. So though you could buy it, it is also extremely volatile on price, and therefore could go down substantially rather quickly. It could also go up, but you would get spot price from bullion dealers, if not slightly less. And on the open market or the secondary market, I think you would find it very hard to move, as not many people stack platinum. So therefore, in my personal opinion, I wouldn't touch it. And the second question came in from Aussie Frost. Thank you, Aussie Frost. You always send in some great questions, and I'm sure this question will be equally as good. And Aussie Frost says, will I adopt him? Sorry, let me just read that again. Aussie Frost asked if I would adopt him, following up by saying, as he really enjoys my videos. Right. Aussie Frost, really that's a bit of a personal question, shouldn't really be on Stackers News Weekly. I thought long and hard about this, and I have come up with a very concise and detailed answer for you, and the answer is no. There you go, guys. That's the end of Stackers News Weekly this week. I hope you enjoyed it. I will put the links in the description for any videos that I have mentioned, or they will be up in pictures during the video. Please go over, check those videos out. They are the ones to watch for this week. I thank you all, and please don't forget, Tuesday, 8th of May at 8 o'clock PM British Mean Time, come and join us for the full stack reveal of Cobra Stacker on a premiere, where I will be live in the comment section chatting to all you guys as we go through the video. And don't forget, this is the opportunity for the 600 giveaway, which will be one of the Cobra Stacker 1 ounce silver coins. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. This is Cobra Stacker signing out from the Cobra's Den.